We are pleased to show you the 2013 Infiniti JX35. Infiniti's new JX35 is a comfortable driving 7-passenger crossover type SUV with easy third-row entry from either side. From a sliding middle row, the JX35 is great for getting the family to the next event safely and in style and comfort. With continual technological advancements and a refined interior, it will also be one of the best times you will have on that hard, busy day. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, auto-off headlights, remote trunk release, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.